Title: Building an Automated AI Pipeline for Real-Time Data Processing and Analysis. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is reshaping industries and redefining how we interact with data: building an automated AI pipeline for real-time data processing and analysis. In a world where data is generated at breakneck speed, the ability to process and analyze this data in real time is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions, enhance customer experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Understanding the basics of an AI pipeline. Before we delve into the specifics of building an AI pipeline, let's take a moment to understand what an AI pipeline actually is. An AI pipeline is a structured sequence of processes that allows data to flow from its raw form to actionable insights. It involves collecting data, pre-processing it, training machine learning models, and finally deploying these models for real-time predictions. The key here is automation, which not only speeds up the process but also minimizes human error. Why real-time processing matters. Now that we have a basic understanding of an AI pipeline, let's talk about why real-time data processing is essential. In many industries, timely data can be the difference between success and failure. For instance, in finance, algorithmic trading relies on real-time data to execute trades within milliseconds. In healthcare, real-time data can help monitor patients and detect anomalies instantly. E-commerce platforms use real-time data to personalize user experiences and optimize their inventory management. The possibilities are endless, and that's why building a robust automated AI pipeline is so crucial. Components of an automated AI pipeline. An automated AI pipeline typically consists of several key components: data ingestion, data preprocessing, model training, model evaluation, and deployment. Let's break these down one by one. 1. Data ingestion. This is the first step in our pipeline. Data can come from various sources such as databases, APIs, or streaming services. For real-time applications, streaming data sources like Apache Kafka or AWS Kinesis are popular choices. We want our pipeline to be able to handle different data formats: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured, so that we can pull in data from multiple sources effortlessly. 2. Data preprocessing. Once we have ingested the data, the next step is preprocessing. This involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, and transforming it into a format suitable for analysis. For real-time data, we often use techniques like normalization and feature engineering on the fly. Tools like Apache Spark and Dask can help us process large datasets efficiently. 3. Model training. After preprocessing, we move on to model training. This is where the machine learning magic happens. We can use various algorithms depending on the problem we're trying to solve: classification, regression, clustering, and so forth. For real-time applications, it's essential to not only train models but also to retrain them regularly with new data to ensure they are still accurate. For model evaluation, once we have our models, we need to evaluate their performance. This is typically done through metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. In a real-time pipeline, it's vital to have mechanisms in place for ongoing evaluation. This could involve A/B testing or monitoring the model's performance against a validation set over time. 5. Deployment. Finally, we need to deploy our models into a production environment where they can start making predictions based on real-time data. This requires a robust infrastructure, often involving cloud services like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) practices are crucial here to ensure that model updates can be rolled out smoothly without downtime. Choosing the right tools. Now that we understand the components of our AI pipeline, let's talk about the tools we can use to build it. There are numerous frameworks and libraries available, and the right choice often depends on your specific needs. For data ingestion, tools like Apache Kafka and AWS Kinesis are excellent for handling large volumes of streaming data. For data processing, Apache Spark is highly popular due to its speed and versatility. When it comes to machine learning, libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn are widely used. For model deployment, platforms like Docker and Kubernetes can help us manage our models in a scalable way. And let's not forget about monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana, which can provide insights into how well our models are performing in real time. Implementing the pipeline, a step-by-step guide. Now that we've covered the theory, let's walk through a step-by-step implementation of our automated AI pipeline.
1. Step 1. Data ingestion. Start by setting up a streaming data source.
For example, let's say we're building a real-time recommendation system for an e-commerce website.
We'll use Apache Kafka to collect user interactions, such as clicks and purchases, from our website.
2. Step 2. Data preprocessing. With the data flowing in, we'll set up a preprocessing function that cleans the incoming data.
This can be done using Apache Spark. We'll filter out any irrelevant data, handle missing values, and extract features like user demographics and product attributes.
3. Step 3. Model training. With our preprocessed data, we can begin training our recommendation model.
We can use collaborative filtering or content-based filtering algorithms, depending on our data.
We might use TensorFlow to build our model. Once trained, we'll want to save the model parameters so they can be loaded later during inference.
4. Step 4. Model evaluation. After training, we'll need to evaluate our model on a separate validation dataset. We'll use metrics such as mean absolute error, MAE, or root mean square error, RMSE, to assess the model's performance. If the model isn't meeting our performance criteria, we may need to go back and adjust our feature set or try a different algorithm. 5. Step 5. Deployment. Once we're satisfied with our model, it's time to deploy it.
We can use Docker to containerize our application, making it easier to manage dependencies. Next, we can deploy our container on a cloud platform using Kubernetes, allowing for easy scaling based on user traffic.
6. Step 6. Monitoring and maintenance. After deployment, we'll set up monitoring tools like Prometheus to track the model's performance in real time.
We'll also want to implement a feedback loop where data from user interactions can be fed back into the pipeline for continuous learning. Challenges and considerations.
While building an automated AI pipeline sounds straightforward, it comes with its own set of challenges.
One major challenge is dealing with data quality.
In real-time environments, data can be noisy or incomplete, which can negatively impact model performance. Implementing robust data validation and cleaning processes is essential.
Another challenge is ensuring scalability.
As your data volume grows, your pipeline will need to adapt. This might involve optimizing your data storage solutions or revisiting your model training techniques.
Lastly, consider the ethical implications of your AI models.
Bias in training data can lead to biased predictions, which can have real-world impacts. It's essential to constantly evaluate your models and ensure they are fair and transparent.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, building an automated AI pipeline for real-time data processing and analysis is an intricate but rewarding endeavor. By understanding the components of the pipeline, choosing the right tools, and following a structured implementation process, you can create a system that not only processes data quickly but also generates valuable insights in real time. As we continue to lean into the age of data, the ability to harness real-time information will be a significant competitive advantage across all sectors. So, whether you're in finance, healthcare, retail, or any other industry, investing in an automated AI pipeline can yield tremendous benefits.
Thank you for joining us today.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
We'd love to hear about your experiences or any questions you may have regarding automated AI pipelines. Until next time, keep innovating and leveraging the power of AI.